Today we will discuss in Unit 2 LSI system and impulse response. LSI system, which is stand for linear shift invariant system. It is also known as linear time invariant system in continuous time domain and linear shift invariant system in discrete time domain. As the name suggested, it is composed of linear plus shift invariant, means a system which follow linearity and shift invariant or time invariant property. Linearity means a system is linear when it follow two property or two principle, law of homogeneity plus law of additivity. Here, when the input to the system is ax1t plus bx2t is applied to the system, then response should be ay1t plus by2t. Next property of LTI system or LSI system is shift invariance. It means delayed input response to same delayed output. Here, when the input of the system is delayed by t0, means input is x1t minus t0, then output should be delayed by same delay, which is output is here output is y1t minus t0. Okay. The linear system is taken here because the several real life system can be well approximated by linear system, or it also make analysis very simple. Second is shift invariant. It also allow us to use simpler math to the system. Simpler math to the to analysis the system. The representation of system is here, where x1 is input and y2 is output, and the system is also represented as xt. It is also known as impulse response. We will discuss in next page or next topic. The next topic is unit impulse response. As the name suggested, unit impulse response means response of the system when the input given to the system is impulse. Here in box or in LTI system, input to the given system is del t and output to the system is output of the system will be ht. Therefore, ht is known as impulse response of the system. It is for the continuous time and similar for the discrete time. Here, the input to the system is applied is del n and output of the system is hn. Therefore, both ht or hn is known as impulse response, means output of LTI system correspond to impulse response. Thank you.